Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 9 Maths Chapter 6 Simultaneous Linear Equation. We will be studying the concepts with examples and solve questions from exercise 6a. Are you ready for the session? Let's begin. First of all, what is an equation? Here you have a boy and a girl. Okay, so boy is having 2 chocolates. Girl has no chocolates with her. Okay, 0 chocolates. What the boy does is, he shares his chocolate. That is, he gives 1 chocolate to girl. Remaining, how many chocolate does he have? So, total number of chocolates was 2. Total chocolates is equal to 2. Number of chocolates given to girl. Given to girl is equal to 1. Then how many chocolates are remaining? How to find? We don't know the number of chocolates. Let's say the number of chocolates is x. So, x is the number of chocolates remaining with boy. 1 chocolate is given to girl. Total, he had 2 chocolates, right? So, total number of chocolate will be 2. Okay. So, the number of chocolates given to girl is 1. So, x is the number of chocolates that is remaining with boy. You can find the value of x. So, this is an equation. This is a linear equation in one variable. Okay. This unknown quantity is the variable and we will be finding the value of it. So, here with a single equation, you can find this value. Here taking this plus 1 to the opposite side, you will get the value of x. So, x will be equal to 2 minus 1. So, x is equal to 1. Number of chocolates remaining will be equal to 1. Okay. So, this is how you will be solving an equation. There will be an equal to sign. If the boy has 5 chocolates, okay, boy has 5 chocolates and he gives 2 chocolates, then what is the number of chocolates remaining with boy? How to find? Again, we'll take, let the number of chocolates remaining with boy be x. X plus number of chocolates that is given to girl, that is equal to 2. Total number of chocolates is 5. Okay, so x plus 2 is equal to 5, which means x is equal to 5 minus 2, x is equal to 3. So, 3 plus 2, you will be getting 5. 5 is the total number of chocolates. Okay, this is how you will be solving an equation in one variable. Now, in this chapter, we will be dealing with equations in 2 variables. We understood what an equation is. Now, what is a linear equation? An equation which can be written as straight line. Linear means straight line is called a linear equation. So, in this chapter, we will be dealing with linear equations in 2 variables. We have already studied linear equation in 1 variable in the smaller classes. So, let's start with the story. Here, we have the same boy and girl. They are going to a shop and they are buying chocolates. So, total cost of chocolates is rupees 40. Okay. Here, the only thing, we don't know the cost of chocolates that is bought by boy and girl. They are buying different chocolates of different cost. Let's say, boy buys 2 chocolates and girl buys 3 chocolates. So, in this case, we don't know the unknown quantities, the price of the chocolates bought by boy and the price of chocolate bought by girl are unknown. So, this unknown quantities will take as x and y. Okay. So, let the cost of chocolate, cost of 1 chocolate bought by boy be x rupees. And the cost of 1 chocolate bought by girl is rupees y. So, here what is the total cost of chocolates bought by boy alone? He is buying 2 chocolates. If 1 chocolate costs rupees x, for 2 chocolates it will be 2 into x. Okay. 2 into x plus Girl buys chocolates of rupees Y. She buys 3 chocolates. So 3 into rupees Y. 3 into Y is 40. Okay. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 40. This is a linear equation in two variables. Here you can see two variables. X is unknown, y is also unknown. Okay. Next day what happens is you are going to buy chocolates again. But in that case, what happens is the price of chocolates, the total cost is rupees 80. Okay, total cost is rupees 80. We know the same chocolate is being bought by boy and girl. Price of one chocolate is rupees X in case of boy and price of one chocolate bought by girl is rupees Y. Here what will happen? The total cost has increased, which means the number of chocolates bought by boy and girl has changed. Okay, let's say now boy has bought 4 chocolates of rupees X and girl has bought 6 chocolates of rupees Y. Okay, so 4x plus 6y is equal to 80. 4x plus 6y is equal to 80. Okay, here we don't know what the cost of, the chocolates bought by boy and girl are. We have two equations here. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 40 and the second equation is 4x plus 6y is equal to 80. So, after studying this chapter, you will be able to find the value of x and y. Okay, we will be studying the different methods used to find the value of x and y. Are you ready for it? You want to know how much is the cost of the chocolates that is bought by the boy and girl, right? So, we will study in this chapter. We can define linear equation. An equation which is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called a linear equation in which a, b and c are constants which are real numbers and x and y are the variable whose values we need to determine, each with degree 1. What does degree 1 means? Degree 1 means x power 1. Okay, degree 2 means x power is 2. So, if x power is 1, we will just write it as x. Okay, so here these equations can be rewritten 2x plus 3y minus 40 is equal to 0. So, here this is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 40. Now, the second equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 80. Then 4x plus 6y minus 80 is equal to 0. So, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to minus 80. First method which we are going to discuss is method of elimination by substitution. With an example, we will understand. Here you can see two variables are there, x and y are the variables. Solve the following system of equations using the method of elimination by substitution. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 7. And the second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. Okay, here what we are going to do is, as the name suggests, method of elimination by substitution. Here what we are going to do is, we will take the first equation. You can take any of these equations, take one equation. So, that is x plus y is equal to 7. From this, what is y or what is x? You can write x is equal to 7 minus y. Okay, x is equal to 7 minus y. Now, what I am going to do is, I am going to substitute this value of x in the second equation. Okay, substituting value of x from first equation in the second equation. Okay, you are going to substitute in the second equation. Then what do we get? Here what is the second equation? 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. Here we can see this is x. Okay, what is x from the first equation? We have x is equal to 7 minus y. We are going to substitute it here. So, it becomes 3 into, in place of x we will be writing 7 minus y minus 2y is equal to 11. Okay. Removing the brackets and multiplying. 3 into 7 minus 3 into y minus 2y is equal to 11. Okay. So, what is 3 into 7? 3 into 7, 21 minus 3y minus 2y is equal to 11. Okay. Here, we have eliminated x from the equation by substituting the value of x in terms of y. Okay. You cannot find any x here. There is no x, only y we have. What is minus 3y minus 2y? You will be getting minus 5y. Okay. So, 21 minus 5y is equal to 11. Now, this is an equation in one variable and we can easily find the value of y. Okay, we can find the value of the variable. So, here I am going to take this minus 5y to the opposite side and 11 to the other side. Okay, here minus 5y, when it is taken to the opposite side, it becomes plus 5y. So, 5y is equal to opposite side. Here we have 21. When 11 is taken, becomes minus 11. So, 5y is equal to 21 minus 11 is 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Okay, so we got the value of y. Y is equal to 2. When you get the value of y, we can substitute either in the first equation or in the second equation to find the value of x. Here we have x plus y is equal to 7. When 2 is added to x, you will be getting 7 because the value of y is equal to 2. We are going to substitute the value of y in the first equation. X plus 2 is equal to 7, which means x is equal to, taking 2 to the opposite side, you get 7 minus 2, x is equal to 5. Okay, so x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. Let's check if it is agreed by the second equation. Here in second equation, we have 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. Okay, 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. 3 into 5 minus 2 into 2 is equal to, what do we get? 3 into 5 is 15 minus 2 into 2 is 4. So, on substituting, you are getting the value 11. So, the values of x and y is being agreed by the second equation as well. Okay, so this is how you will be finding the unknown variables for a linear equation in two variables using the method of elimination by substitution. Clear? Now let us solve problems from exercise 6a. Question 1 of exercise 6a. Solve the following pairs of linear simultaneous equations using methods of elimination by substitution. So the first equation, 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, and the second, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So take the first equation, 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Okay. Here either we will find the value of x in terms of y or value of y in terms of x and then substitute in the second equation. Okay, here we will be getting 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y, taking this 5y to the opposite side. Positive sign becomes negative sign. Okay, then what is x? X will be equal to 9 minus 5y divided by 8. Okay. This is the value of x from the first equation. Substituting in the second equation, what is the second equation? 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. Substituting 3 into, what is x? 9 minus 5y divided by 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. Now, removing the brackets and multiplying, we get 3 into 9, 27 minus 3 into 5y, 15y divided by 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. Taking LCM, denominator you will be getting 8. What about numerator? 27 minus 15y plus. Here the denominator is 1. Therefore, 8 into 2y, which is 16y, is equal to 4. Okay. Now, we have 27 minus 15y plus 16y, which is plus y, is equal to 4 into 8. Taking this 8 to the opposite side, division becomes multiplication. Okay. So 27 plus y is equal to 4 into 8, that is 32, which implies y is equal to 32 minus 27, which is equal to 5. So we got the value of y is equal to 5. Okay. Here we have x is equal to 9 minus 5 into y value is 5, divided by 8, which is 9 minus 5 into 5, 25, divided by 8. What is 9 minus 25? Minus 16 by 8 equal to minus 2. So the value of x is equal to minus 2 and the value of y is equal to 5. Clear? So here what we have done? We have written x in terms of y, or you can write y in terms of x. How we will be getting? So y will be equal to 9 minus 8x divided by 5. Even this is possible. Then take the value of y and substitute in the second equation. In this place you will have to substitute. You will be getting the same answers. X will be equal to minus 2 and y will be equal to 5. Question number 2 of exercise 6a, solve the following pairs of linear equations. So here the equations are 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, 5x plus y is equal to 9. Okay. Now let us take the second equation. In the second equation we have 5x plus y is equal to 9. It doesn't matter if you take the first equation or second equation, you will be getting the same values of x and y. We can take y. What is y here? Y will be equal to 9 minus 5x. Okay, from the second equation we got the value of y. What to do next? We'll have to substitute this value of y in the first equation. It is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Substitute the value of y here. 2x minus 3 into 9 minus 5x is equal to 7. Okay. So 2x minus 3 into 9 is minus 27. Minus 3 into minus 5x is plus 15x is equal to 7. Okay. So 2x plus 15x is 17x, which is equal to 7 minus 27 taken to the opposite side, you get plus 27. Okay. So 17x is equal to 7 plus 27, which is 34. And x is equal to 34 divided by 17 equal to 2. We got the value of x. Now we need to find the value of y. Here we have y is equal to 9 minus 5x. Substituting the value of x in the equation, we get y is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. Y is equal to 9 minus 10, which is minus 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. These are the values we get for x and y when you are considering these two equations. Okay, question 4 of exercise 6a. Here we have 0.2x plus 0.1y is equal to 25, first equation. Second, 2 into x minus 2 minus 1.6 into y is equal to 116. Okay. Now, consider the first equation, 0.2x plus 0.1y is equal to 25. From which we have 0.2x is equal to 25 minus 0.1y and x will be equal to 25 minus 0.1y divided by 0.2. Okay. Now this x is substituted in the second equation, 2 into. In place of x we have 25 minus 0.1y divided by 0.2 minus 2 minus 1.6y is equal to 160. Okay. Here, removing the brackets and multiplying, this is 2 into 25 minus 0.1y divided by 0.2 minus 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1.6y is equal to 116. Okay. Now this 0.2 and 2 can be cancelled. You will be getting 10 here. 10 into 25 is 250 minus 10 into 0.1 y is y minus 4 minus 1.6 y is equal to 116. Okay, minus y minus 1.6 y. You will be getting minus 2.6 y. Okay, 250 minus 4. What is 250 minus 4? 246 is equal to 116. Now taking this 116 to the left and minus 2.6y to the right. What do we get? 246 minus 116 is equal to 2.6y. What is 246 minus 116? You will be getting 130. Okay. 130 is equal to 2.6y. Then what is y? Y will be equal to 130 divided by 2.6 or 1300 divided by 26. Multiplying and dividing with 10. Okay. Here 130 divided by 26 you will get 5. So this becomes 50. Y is equal to 50. Now this y value is substituted to find the value of x. X is equal to 25 minus 0.1 into 50 divided by 0.2, that is equal to 25 minus 0.1 into 50 is 5 divided by 0.2, which is equal to 25 minus 5 is 20. 20 divided by 0.2, multiplying numerator and denominator with 10, you get 200 divided by 2, which is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 50. Clear? Question number 5 of exercise 6a. 6x is equal to 7y plus 7. 7y minus x is equal to 8. So here let us take the second equation. If you want, you can take the first equation, no matter. So second equation is 7y minus x is equal to 8. From which we will have 7y is equal to 8 minus x taken to the right side becomes plus x. And y is equal to 8 plus x divided by 7. So this value of y we are going to substitute in the first equation. 6x is equal to 7 into y, that is 8 plus x by 7 plus 7. 7's can be cancelled. Okay, then we have 6x is equal to 8 plus x plus 7. X taken to the left side, what do we get? 6x minus x is equal to 8 plus 7, which is 15. Okay, 6x minus x is 5x. 5x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 15 divided by 5, that is equal to 15 by 5, 3. Okay, x value is equal to 3. Now this x value we are going to substitute in the equation to find the value of y. Y is equal to 8 plus x divided by 7. Y is equal to 8 plus x is 3. 3 by 7. Y is equal to 8 plus 3. 11 by 7. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 11 by 7. Okay, so these are the values of x and y. If you are taking the first equation, you will be getting x is equal to 7y plus 7 divided by 6, or if you are finding the value of y, then you will be getting y is equal to 6x minus 7 divided by 7. Whichever way you can solve this. Next question number 6 of exercise 6a. Y is equal to 4x minus 7. 16x minus 5y is equal to 25. So here directly they are given y is equal to 4x minus 7 in the first equation. Substituting this value of y in the second equation. Second equation is 16x minus 5y is equal to 25. So 16x minus 5 into y, that is 4x minus 7 is equal to 25. Okay. So 16x minus 5 into 4 is 20. So 20x minus 5 into minus 7, that is plus 35 is equal to 25. Okay. So 16x minus 20x, how much do we get? 16x minus 20x is minus 4x. Taking this 35 to the opposite side is equal to 25 minus 35. So minus 4x is equal to 25 minus 35, you will be getting minus 10. Okay. Then x is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 4. Negative signs can be removed from the numerator and denominator. Then we have 10 by 4. What is 10 by 4? Dividing with 2, you get 5 by 2. So the x value is equal to 5 by 2. Now we can substitute here to find the value of y. Y is equal to 4 into x value, that is 5 by 2 minus 7. 2 and 4 can be cancelled. We get 2 because 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. So y is equal to 2 into 5. 2 into 5, 10 minus 7. And y is equal to 10 minus 7, 3. So x value is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to 3. Clear? Next question number 8 of exercise 6a. The first equation is 1.5x plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2. And the second equation 3x minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. Take the first equation, 1.5x plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2. Okay. From this you have 0.1y is equal to 6.2 minus 1.5x and y is equal to 6.2 minus 1.5x divided by 0.1. Okay. This is y. Now, second equation 3x minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. Substitute this value of y in the second equation. 3x minus 0.4 into 6.2 minus 1.5x divided by 0.1 is equal to 11.2. Okay. 0.4 divided by 0.1, you will be getting 4. Okay. Decimals on removing, you get 4 here. So 3x minus 4 into 6.2. How much do we get? 24.8 minus 1.5 into 4, that is 6. So minus of minus becomes plus 6x is equal to 11.2. Okay. 3x plus 6x, 9x is equal to 11.2 plus 24.8. Minus 24.8 taken to the opposite side becomes plus 24.8. 9x is equal to, on adding this, how much do we get? You will be getting 36. Okay. 36. So, 9x is equal to 36, which means x is equal to 36 by 9, which is 4. So, we got the value of x. Now, we can find the value of y. What is y? Y is equal to 6.2 minus 1.5 into x. That is 4 divided by 0.1, which is 6.2 minus 1.5 into 4, you get 6 divided by 0.1. 6.2 minus 6 is 0.2 divided by 0.1, multiplying numerator and denominator with 10, you will be getting 2 divided by 1, answer is 2. So, x value is equal to 4 and y value is equal to 2. Clear? Question number 9 of exercise 6a. 2 into x minus 3 plus 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. First equation. 5 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 0, second equation. So let's take the equation, first equation, that is 2 into x minus 3 plus 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. I am removing the brackets and multiplying, then the equation becomes 2x minus 2 into 3, 6 plus 3y minus 3 into 5, 15 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 3y minus 6 minus 15, that is minus 21, is equal to 0. Okay, so the equation can be written as 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. This is your first equation. Okay, just removing the brackets and multiply. Similarly, we can change the second equation. We have 5 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. Removing the brackets and multiplying, 5x minus 5 plus 4y minus 16. 4 into 4, 16 is equal to 0. 5x plus 4y minus 5 minus 16, which is 21. Okay, so minus 21 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 4y is equal to minus 21 taken to the opposite side plus 21. Okay, now this is your second equation. Okay, now take the first equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. From this I can write 2x is equal to 21 minus 3y and x is equal to 21 minus 3y divided by 2. Substitute this value of x in the second equation, that is 5x plus 4y is equal to 21. Okay, substituting the value of x, we get 5 into 21 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 4y is equal to 21. Removing the brackets and multiplying, 5 into 21, that is 105, minus 5 into 3, 15, so 15y divided by 2 plus 4y is equal to 21. Okay, now taking LCM, denominator we get 2, numerator 105 minus 15y plus 2 into 4, 8, 8y is equal to 21. So 105 minus 15y plus 8y, you will be getting minus 7y is equal to 21 into 2. 2 taken to the opposite side, division becomes multiplication. So 21 into 2, 42. Okay, so minus 7y is equal to 42 minus 105, or minus 7y is equal to, what is 42 minus 105? Just do the simple subtraction, that is 105 minus 42. We will be getting 63. Okay. Now this 63, here you can see negative sign is with 105. So you will have a negative sign and this becomes positive. Okay. So minus 63. Y is equal to minus 63 divided by minus 7. Negative, negative removed, 63 by 7, which is 9. So we got the value of y. Now we can find the value of x. Okay. We have x is equal to 21 minus 3y divided by 2. X is equal to 21 minus 3 into y value is 9 divided by 2 equal to 21 minus 3 into 9, that is 27 divided by 2, which is minus 6 by 2 equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 9. These are the values of x and y. Question number 12 of exercise 6a. First equation 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Second equation 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, so take the first equation, 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here, what is x then? We can write 2x is equal to minus 3y taken to right hand side, it becomes plus 3y plus 6 when taken minus 6. So, x is equal to 3y minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, this is x. Now, substitute this x in the second equation. 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. So, here we have x. Okay, before that we can make a rearrangement. 2x plus 3y will be equal to 18. Okay, so 2 into 3y minus 6 divided by 2 plus 3y is equal to 18. Now, this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. We have 3y minus 6 plus 3y is equal to 18. 3y plus 3y is 6y is equal to 18. Minus 6 taken to the opposite side plus 6. Okay. So, 6y is equal to 18 plus 6, 24, and y is equal to 24 divided by 6, which is equal to 4. So, y is equal to 4. Now, substitute this value of y to find the value of x. X is equal to 3y minus 6 divided by 2, which is 3 into 4. Y value is equal to 4 minus 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3 into 4, 12 minus 6 divided by 2. 12 minus 6 is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So, x value is equal to 3 and y value is equal to 4. Clear? Question number 13 of exercise 6a. First equation, 3x divided by 2 minus 5y by 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Second equation, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 2, 1 by 6. Now, take the second equation, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 2, 1 by 6. So, this is a mixed fraction. We will have to make it into the improper fraction. So, 2, 1 by 6. To convert it into improper fraction, first multiply these two, that is the denominator and this whole number, and then add this numerator to it. Okay, 2 into 6. 2 into 6 plus 1 will be the numerator. Denominator will be the same, 6. Okay, 2 into 6, 12 plus 1, 13. So, 13 by 6. You will be having x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. Next step, take the LCM. Here you will be getting LCM. 3 into 2, 6. Okay. So, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. Now, here you have 6 in the denominator. Here also you have 6 in the denominator. So, can be cancelled. Then your equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Okay. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. From which what is x? X can be written as 13 minus 3y divided by 2. This is x. Now, substitute this x in the first equation. So, the first equation is 3x divided by 2 minus 5y divided by 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. You need to make the rearrangement. So, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. Plus 2 taken to the opposite side. Okay. So, denominators LCM when taken, you will be getting 6. 3x into 3, 9x. 2 into 5y. So, minus 10y is equal to minus 2. Or 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2 into 6, which is equal to minus 12. Now, substitute this x value here. 9 into 13 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Okay. So, here when you take the LCM, before that remove the brackets and multiply. 9 into 13, you will be getting 117. Okay. 9 into 3y. So, minus 27y divided by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Now, take the LCM. Denominator you will be getting 2. Numerator 117 minus 27y minus 2 into 10, 20. 20y is equal to minus 12. So 117 minus 27y minus 20y is equal to minus 2 into 12, that is minus 24. So minus 27y minus 20y, which is minus 47y, is equal to minus 24 minus 117. So minus 47y is equal to minus 24 minus 117. How much do we get? You will be getting 141. Okay, minus 141. So y is equal to minus 141 divided by minus 47, which is equal to 3. Negative signs can be removed from the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now we had x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Substitute the value of y here. So 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 13 minus 9 by 2. What is 13 minus 9? 4. Therefore 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So the value of x is equal to 2 and the value of y is equal to 3. Okay, that's all for today. In today's class, we have studied a method to solve linear equations in two variables. That is a method of elimination by substitution. There is another method which we'll be discussing in the next class. We have studied this method with examples and solved questions from exercise 6a. There are a few questions left which you can solve on your own. I'll be back in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.